Indulge in a culinary revelation with chicken pickle spring rolls, a snack that will take your taste buds to new heights. Welcome back to Burmawala Kitchen, where we embark on yet another culinary escapade. Let's dive in by heating a 1/4 cup of oil in a medium frying wok. Introduce 1 kilogram of minced chicken. Now, to weave a tapestry of flavors, add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, and finally, 2 tablespoons each of garlic and ginger paste. Employ those mighty arms of yours to tirelessly mix the chicken and spices, ensuring they meld together in perfect harmony. Stirring continuously for about 20 minutes will not only result in a tantalizing blend of flavors, but also provide a wholesome workout. Remember to switch hands halfway through. To enhance the aroma and taste, add a tablespoon of delightful ghee to the mix, infusing it with a richness that tantalizes the senses. The chicken mince has transformed into a loose and fluffy delight. It's time to introduce a unique twist, pickles, which I will be grating. Squeeze out the essence of 3 chopped onions using a muslin cloth. Reserving the onion liquid for future culinary dishes. Finely chop 4 red and green chilies to add a fiery kick to our creation. Now, with our spiced chicken mince at cool temperature, incorporate the chopped chilies followed by the squeezed onions, ensuring an even distribution of flavors. Let's quickly prepare the spring roll glue by combining 6 tablespoons of plain flour with warm water until a smooth paste forms. With ready spring roll wrappers at hand, fill each with 2 tablespoons of our spiced chicken mince, a generous helping of grated pickles, and the secret ingredient, a lavish squeeze of mayonnaise, imparting a creamy indulgence. Seal the edges with our flour glue, and a fleet of delectable spring rolls awaits. Here is a speed run of some more I made. This recipe yields approximately 50 rolls, perfect for sharing or freezing for later enjoyment. Fry them to a golden perfection, ensuring they don't turn too brown as they continue to cook once removed from the oil. Behold the epitome of culinary delight, chicken pickles spring rolls. Easy to make yet swiftly devoured, these rolls are a testament to the magic of fusion cuisine. As we conclude this culinary journey, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for joining me once again. If you relish this culinary creation, don't forget to show your appreciation with a like and consider subscribing for more gastronomic delights. Happy cooking!